Hello there everyone, this is your friend Jake Rodriguez Pomperada from Bacolod City, Negros Occidental, Philippines. In this tutorial video, I will show you guys on how to determine the date in your Windows operating system command line. Before we continue, I would like to say thank you very much guys for watching my video tutorials and subscribing to my channel. It helps me a lot to motivate myself, to push myself, so that I will continue working on my tutorial videos. If you are new with my channel, please hit the like button, leave a comment in the comment section of this video tutorial, and subscribe to my channel for more upcoming video tutorials. So let's get started. If we want to know the date in our Windows operating system in command prompt or command line, we simply issue this command date / question mark. It displays or set the date. So for example, we just type date, we can change the date. Let's say for example we want to have July 14 or 15, July 14 2020. So day 14 slash dash 07-2020, enter. But it requires a privilege, so we cannot do that here. Most of the times we can do it in our Windows environment. So for this demonstration purposes, I'm just showing you on how to display the date in Microsoft Windows command line, because there is an authentication, so that's why it requires privilege held for the client. So that's it guys. It is a very short tutorial videos on how to display the date or set the date in Microsoft Windows operating system command line. Thank you guys for watching. This is your friend Jake Rodriguez Pomperada from Bacolod City, Negros Occidental, Philippines. Until to the next video tutorial, bye bye for now.